Okay, greetings one and all. So the footage I'm about to show you, I actually shot about a week, just maybe over a week ago. Maybe even 2 weeks ago. I've been actually fighting off a cold, so. A real nasty, persistent one too. It doesn't want to let go. So anyway, got some good news. So I talked to Mike about the grills, and he has 7 of these available for sale. 7. So if you want to get one, now's the chance. I'm gonna put his PayPal link to PayPal in his information down below in the description. So if you want to go buy one, now's your chance. I wish he had more, but maybe if he sees how many people try to buy one, maybe he'll reconsider making a batch. But now's your chance to get the Backpacker Grill 2.0. First come, first serve. If you email him and ask him to make you one, he said he's not doing that because he's done that in the past, and people would say, "Oh yeah, I want one. Make me one," and then they would never come back and buy it. So thanks to those people, you can't just order one. So they ruined it for everybody. So now's your chance. I think it's a great little grill. Folding legs, compact, pretty small. I'll put a caption the weight. So they're $30. Now you might be thinking, holy crap, $30. But here's the thing. The price of steel has been going up, I hear. So all the knives have been going up too. So steel is going up. That includes shipping. So 30 bucks includes shipping. You know, and it costs of steel, plus, you know, the man's time making these. You know, these are handmade. These aren't just stamped out in some factory somewhere. You know, he hand welds every one of these, so, you know, just incredible workmanship. If you want to grab one, now's a good chance. Go ahead and do it. I'm hoping if you guys order and they sell out quick, maybe he'll do more. I don't know. So, but, you know, fingers crossed, and, you know, jump on it. So I'm enjoying a hot beverage because I'm getting over being ill, so. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. I hope you're one of the 7. Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I've got something to show you. I'm a little bummed out about showing you this because he's not making it anymore, but we have the Backpacker Grill 2.0. Let me turn the camera and I'll give you a better look. Okay, so here it is, and the legs, they fold down like this, and you set it up just like that. So, and you just set it in the fire, you put your cook pot on it. I have one, like maybe if I was cooking a meal, set it on there like that. Or even if it was like a bigger pot like this MSR, like if I was cooking, just set that right on there. Very stout little grill. Unfortunately, let me get this back in there. Gonna have to edit this shit again. Okay, so you might have noticed when I was adjusting things around, but I actually have 2 of these. You know, 2 is 1, 1 is none. So I ordered both, or I ordered 2, I should say. Because I really like the product. Now, what am I going to do with this other one? I really don't know yet. The problem I have is I did a video contest before with the grill, but every video was really good, and it was really hard to pick a winner. So I considered doing a video contest again, but picking a winner was really hard. I mean, I honestly tried to get another, because I did the other grill, and I actually tried to pull a move and get more so I could give everybody one. because all the videos that were really good, and I struggled with the decision to pick a winner, and I actually felt bad I couldn't give one to everybody, so I really don't know what I'm going to do with this just yet. You know, 2 is 1, 1 is none, flattens down pretty far. I didn't bring a scale today, so I'll have to throw the weights up on the screen for you. So I wish I had one for everybody. I just think they're neat little grills. So grill slash pot stand. I mean, I could probably put a few brats on there, just cook them lengthwise, which I may do on my next outing because, you know, brats are good. Who knows? I got some other ideas, but if something changes, I will let everybody know. I'll do a video, or I'm going to ask them when I get home, and maybe I'll tack on a clip at home. At the end of this, when I get home, I'll just say, yeah, he's going to make X. So first come, first serve. Boom. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. So, but I want to at least show it to you because I've had a few people ask, hey, what's a grill? So that's it. The Backpacker 2.0. And fingers crossed we can get something going. So maybe he'll see this video and he'll reconsider. Alright. Excuse me. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.